Taking to the open road and sharing conversation with your colleagues, managers, and friends are always great ways to start your conference, meeting, or special event. Choices of luxurious and modern conveniences, including a softer side for that perfect think tank, guiding your way like a lighthouse. Whether it's for 400 or 400 delegates, take advantage of these incredible settings that you can only find at Ontario Resorts and Inns. These properties will empower you to plan the perfect meeting retreat, conference, trade show, and team building event. White Oaks Resort, Bayview Wildwood Resort, Deerhurst Resort, and Fern Resort are among the amazing spots to hold an event when ordinary isn't enough. Service is second to none, and the culinary delights are carefully prepared by world-renowned chefs and their teams, most using local farmers and providers. Together, they will captivate all your senses, and you'll know firsthand why planning your event here was the best choice. You can be superstars in grand settings or retreat to that special little piece of paradise designed just for your group. In the end, you could be saying, booking at an Ontario Resort and Inn was the best decision I made, and I believe my promotion was directly connected to the success of the event. Call for your site visit today and experience why so many meeting and event planners book at Ontario Resorts and Inns.